In this video, I'll show you how to create a Power BI layer that dynamically displays different charts when you click a button. This technique is perfect for showcasing multiple charts representing the same or similar metrics. Step 1. Create all the charts that you want to put together and resize them. In this example, I simply copied my already created visuals to a new page. To resize, go to Format Visuals under General, click on Properties to alter the sizes. Let them all be of the same size. Step 2. Before we layer the charts on top of each other, let's create the buttons. Go to the menu bar at the top. Click Insert. Then, select Buttons from the drop-down and then choose Blank. A blank button will appear on your report. Resize and reshape the button. Then format it by adding a button description. Alter the text and fill colors until you're satisfied with the button. Step 3. Copy and paste the button twice to create buttons for the other two charts. And update the button descriptions accordingly. Then align the three buttons at the top and vertically. Step 4. Arrange the charts on top of each other. Then go to the top menu bar. Click View. And then click Selection and Bookmarks. In the Selection pane, rename the buttons for easy identification. Use the eye icon to toggle each visual on and off to identify them on the report page. Now, let's create the bookmarks. Toggle off the charts for steps and active minutes. Click on Bookmarks and create a bookmark for the distance chart. Rename it accordingly. Next, toggle off the charts for distance and active minutes, then click on Bookmarks to create a bookmark for the steps chart. Rename it. Repeat the process for active minutes by toggling off the distance and steps charts. Create a bookmark and rename it appropriately. Now, let's link the buttons to the visuals. Click on each button and go to Format button to edit the action settings. Change the action type to Bookmark. Under Bookmark, select the corresponding bookmark for each button. Choose the Distance bookmark for the Distance button. Choose the Steps bookmark for the Steps button. Choose the Active Minutes (AM) bookmark for the Active Minutes button. To view each chart, hold down the Control key and click the corresponding button. With this setup, your Power BI report is now interactive and allows users to seamlessly switch between charts while saving space on the report page. Thanks for watching.